Hey everyone, I recently rebuilt the starter on my car, replaced the Bendix gear, swapped out the bushings and installed this new brush holder assembly. In this video, I'll show you what to do if, for example, you're only replacing the Bendix but want to keep your original brushes and you accidentally pulled them out of the brush holder. Maybe the springs popped out or the clips fell off. In short, you need to reassemble everything and get the brush holder back onto the starter. So now, I'll show you a simple way to reassemble the whole thing, making it easy to install on the starter's armature. So, how do we get the brush holder back to its original assembled state? First, we install these brush holders. Next, insert the spring. Now feed the brush into place. Since it's spring-loaded, the brush will constantly try to pop out. You won't be able to install all the brushes on the armature at once, so to make it easier, we use a small zip tie to hold the brush down in the holder. I made this little loop so I could manage it with one hand. See, the brush is inserted and held back with the zip tie. Now we do the same for all the brushes, holding each one back with a zip tie. And that's it. As you can see, the brush holder assembly is now fully assembled. All the brushes are in place. Now it's ready to go onto the starter armature. Once you slide it onto the armature, you can remove the zip ties one by one or cut them off. The brushes will pop into place and make contact with the armature inside the starter. As you might know, when you buy a new brush holder, it comes with a special sleeve that holds the brushes in place. If you want, you can find a sleeve yourself. This one, for example, is 30 mm in diameter. You can even cut a piece of pipe for it. Watch, insert the sleeve and it will automatically push the zip ties off as it goes in. This is how the brush holder is sold at the store, with a sleeve already inserted. And when you install it onto the starter's armature, the sleeve gets pushed out by the armature and the brushes engage properly. That's it for now. See you soon.